Hello, Monroe School District. Today we will be going through a tutorial on how to connect to other staff members with Zoom video conferencing. To begin, we will open up our web browser and head to the address bar and type in zoom.us and press enter. This will take us to the Zoom homepage. In the upper right-hand corner, we're going to select the option to sign in. On the next page, we will scroll down until we see the option for signing with Google, and we will select signing with Google. At this point, we will be signed in with our district credentials into our Zoom homepage. On the left-hand side, we will select the option for meetings. We will now see a schedule a new meeting button. We will select the schedule a new meeting option, and we will be presented with the settings for our meeting. We will enter in a topic and an optional description. We will select a time for our meeting and a duration. Feel free to select any additional options that you feel are needed for your meeting. Some recommendations are to generate your meeting ID automatically, to have video off by default when users join the meeting, to mute the participants upon entry, enable waiting room, and add additional hosts if needed. At this point, we will select Save, and we have now created our meeting. At this point, we will add this meeting to our Google Calendar by selecting the Add to Google Calendar option. If prompted, we will select our district account and allow Zoom access to our Google Calendar. We will now see the meeting that we are scheduling, and we will add our guests. We will select Save and send them an email. At this point, we can see that the meeting is scheduled on our calendar. At the time of the meeting, we can go to our calendar and select the calendar details and select the Join Meeting, Zoom Meeting option. At this point, Zoom will launch and our meeting will begin. As participants join, we will want to ensure that we add them and admit them from the waiting room area so that they can join our meeting. Here we go. I will admit myself into the meeting. At this point, I can mute or unmute the participants. And when I'm finished with my meeting, I can select End Meeting. And I will end the meeting for all participants. And that completes our scheduling, communication, and launching of a Zoom meeting. If you have any questions, please contact the help desk and have a wonderful day.